In the lane, snow is glistening, a beautiful sight. We're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland.
Are you guys' legs cold? I feel like I peed my pants. I think I have frostbite. You want some pork red, right? Yes, please. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna throw it. No, it's too valuable. Okay, whatever. Woo! Right? Yeah. Oh my God. It's like pot to me.
Okay, so it just snowed in Baltimore, and we're eating fried rice.
Pork fried rice.
Pork fried rice.
I don't know how to eat it, so I like. No, you gotta do it right.
It's like Santa. Hello. I'm Izzy.
I'm Brittany.
What? You have pork fried. Can I have some? We're eating pork fried rice with snow.
Pour some in my mouth.
Okay.
I lost my baby. We have funeral for him, so I'm gonna go get a new baby.
What is that?
It's onions.
Okay.
Let's get my new baby.
Hey, look, guys, slaves.
I said slaves.
She thought I said slaves. I said slaves. She was like, I think slavery's over. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna land a pork fried rice.
No!
It's a trap.
Doesn't taste good anymore. We'll just leave that for somebody. Anna, is that a person?
Brittany, you fell.
Anna?
I found a baby.
We found something.
I found a baby. It's a baby. Run! Oh my God! We gotta get in the resuscitation. Get on him!
Wait.
Baby! Oh my God! Look at his face! He's retarded. Have some pork fried rice. It's okay. It's okay. He's hungry. What is she doing? What?
Untouched. No.
What?
Untouched. Give me some.
No.
I think I need to go change my pants.
I can't get it up.
Guys, I think I need to go change my pants.
That's nice to know.
It looks like a baby threw up on me.
Oh, dude.
Anna, don't videotape. I'm trying to see if I have frostbite. Bye.
A baby! Bye.
Pork fried rice. Okay, we're gonna go.